Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, pink color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for news. O for olive. P for picture. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for torch. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for year. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. How are you? Let's learn some colors name. Green color, dark blue color, olive color, black color, lime color, purple color, violet color, red color, gray color, yellow color, brown color. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1. O and E. 1. Number 2. T, W, O. 2. Number 3. T, H, R, W. 3. Number 4. F, O, U, R. 4. Number 5. F, I, V, E. 5. Number 6. S-I-X, 6. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Number 10. T-E-N, 10. Number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Number 12. T-W-E-L-V, 12. Number 13. T-H-I-R-T-W-N, 13. Number 14. F-O-U-R-T-W-N, 14. Number 15. F-I-F-T-W-N, 15. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, orange color, red color, yellow color, pink color, green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. A. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. B for birds. B. C. C for candy. C for cherry. C. D. D for dog. D for doll. D. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E. F. F for fruits. F for fox. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.